Cobwebs that are unreachable? Cabinets that are impossible to clean? We have something for those hard to reach places. Hey guys, it's Lucas here and welcome back to another video here on the Euro YouTube channel, where we teach you how to make your life easier, cleaner, and more efficient with our premium products. Today we're going to be showing you something that's going to make your cleaning process easier, faster, and effective. Dusters that really deliver. So no more dragging out the ladder or juggling multiple tools. These are going to change the way that you clean, starting with the CleanAide Electrostatic Duster and the CleanAide Microfiber Flex Duster. Let's dive right in. First up, we have the CleanAide Electrostatic Duster with a 3-section extension pole that can extend up to 72 inches, which means no more hauling out that ladder when you want to clean high up spots like ceiling fans, vents, or crown molding. You can tackle it all safely, easily, and without the hassle. The pole can adjust to your needs, which makes vertical dusting a breeze. And the best part is, you're in complete control. What really sets this apart is the electrostatic cleaning power. The microfiber dust head actually generates a charge that attracts and traps dust, pollen, pet hair, and even fine debris without needing any sprays or disposable refills. It's perfect for homes that want to reduce waste and keep things chemical free. And check this out, the duster head is detachable for those times when you need a close range cleaning tool like dusting your electronics, mirrors, or light fixtures. No abrasions, just perfect control. Lightweight aluminum construction makes the pole easy to maneuver, and the modular design means you can replace or upgrade the head as needed, which makes it a long-term investment for your cleaning kit. Be sure to check out the description for links to shop the entire system or just the replacement head. Now let's look at another best-selling duster, the CleanAide Microfiber Flex Duster. This one's got some serious dual surface power, with a chenille microfiber on one side and terry weave on the other. One side's perfect for delicate surfaces like glass, while the other handles those dusty blinds or rougher spots with ease. You get 2 textures in one tool. The versatility here is an absolute game changer. That means no more swapping out tools or running back and forth. Just switch the textures and you're good to go. And it's super adaptable. The flexible core lets you mold the duster to any shape or angle, meaning no more struggling to reach those tight, tricky spots. With the telescopic pole extending up to 55 inches, you can easily reach tall spots like crown molding, appliance tops, or those far back shelf corners, all without dragging a step stool into the mix. Alright, now let's talk about comfort. The ergonomic handle makes it easier on your hands during long cleaning sessions. And when you're done, be sure to take out the duster cover, throw it in the wash, and you're good to go. Clean, easy, and stress-free. Also, for the Flex Duster 2, you can purchase the duster head for specific cleaning needs or as a replacement head. Also, you can purchase the duster covers, which come in a 6-pack, meaning you have plenty on hand when one is soiled or in the washer. The links will be in the description below. So, cleaning enthusiasts, are you ready to ditch the ladder and endless dusting tools? Whether you're tackling hard-to-reach high spots or even delicate surfaces with precision, these CleanAide dusters have got you covered. The electrostatic cleaning power, flexible design, and lightweight constructions make these a must-have for any cleaning routine. And that's the end of this video. Be sure to leave a like, subscribe to our channel turning on the notification bell, and comment what kind of videos you want to see next. Don't forget to follow us on our social media, and I'll catch you on the next Euro video. Bye.